Hi, my name is Adira, and today I'm gonna show you the codes related to the hate speech and offensive language, which is my project. And this project is about detecting the hate speech and offensive language in tweets using deep learning. We build the model using a bidirectional LSTM and deploy it as a web app using Flask and Ngeok. So first we are loading the data set here. So we start by mounting Google Drive and extracting a zip data set. After extraction, we load a CSV file into a pandas data frame to analyze and work with the tweet data. So here we are using this head function, which is used to print the first rows, which will help inspect the whole, the first data. And here we are doing the pre-processing. First we are doing all the exploration and all. So we inspect the structure of the data set by checking for missing values and remove any duplicate weights. This ensures the data is clean and ready for pre-processing actually. So when we come to the pre-processing part, each tweet is cleaned by converting to lowercase and will be removing URL, will be removing the mentions and hashtags, and also will be stripping the punctuation and extra spaces here. So this step actually prepares the text for effective tokenization and model training. So here we are doing the label encoding. The categories of the tweets like hate, offensive, and neutral are converted from text to numeric values. This is necessary because machine learning models require numerical output. So, and we are going to the next step, which is splitting the data set into training and testing part. So we split the data, cleaned data set into a training set and test set using an 80-20 ratio. This allows us to train the model on one part and evaluate it on the other. And here we are doing the text tokenization and padding. So we use tokenize to convert words into numerical sequences. Then we pad all sequences, and then we pad all sequences by the 100-word length, so that we can process in batches by the model. So here we are defining or building the BILSTM model. So the core of the project is BILSTM model, which is the bidirectional one, which means which reads the text in both direction, both forward and backward. This helps the model understand the context better. Dropout and batch normalization layers help preventing overfitting as well. And here we are training the models. We train models using the training data for our 10 approaches. The validation data helps us monitor the model's performance while training also. So here we are doing the visualization part. So after training, we plot graphs showing training and validation accuracy and loss over time. This helps us see if the model is learning effectively or overfitting. So, but I have encountered some kind of overfitting here as well. The model is running really good here, but I can see some kind of overfitting here, and I tried multiple times to overcome it, but still the overfitting is here. So now we are evaluating the model in a new data set, which means I'm taking the same test data set to evaluate the model. So we evaluate the model's performance on the on our test set using precision, recall, F1 score, and confusion metrics. Yeah. So now we are going to deploy the model as a web app. So I'm just taking it from the model from the drive again to make sure that it is the same one, and um, we use njog to generate a public URL, um, so that others can access the app over the internet as well. And down here we are adding the libraries which we actually need for the process. And so when we come to the so the web app includes a function that cleans user input, tokenizes and pad the text and send it to the model, and returns the predicted label like hate, offensive, or neutral. And this is the HTML code. So the app includes a minimal HTML code interface where users can type a message, hit predict, and instantly see the result. So here we are running the app. Finally, we run the Flask server and expose it using ngrok, which provides a public link to our hate speech detection tool. So this is the final one. Here we are getting a kind of warning, but it's fine. So when we click on this link, we'll be going to the uh, to our website, I mean the app, and then we can enter a text like it can be like hate or offensive or a neutral one. So when we hit the predict button, it will be automatically give us the predicted value like neutral or offensive or hate. So let's go to that.